Introducing TopMet's largest corner LED channel, Corner16. It's used for furniture lighting, such as in bookcases, drawers, wardrobes, and even under your kitchen cabinets. You can also use it to light entire rooms, just run it around the perimeter of your ceiling. The profile is available in 4 colors: black, white, silver, and raw. Changing the orientation allows you to achieve a lighting angle of 30 or 60 degrees, depending on your preferences. The Corner16 has the ability to accommodate LED strips with a maximum width of 16 mm. It can also be used with high-power LED strips like the King Protea series. This profile allows you to install 2 8mm LED strips side by side, to combine different colored lights, or simply increase the brightness. There are 2 types of diffusers, one clicks in and the other slides. The slide version can be clicked into place, but we recommend you slide it in, as clicking will damage it. Simply slide into the profile from the end, and gently push it until it fits. By sliding the diffuser in, you can avoid any unnecessary stress or damage to the profile. The slide-in diffuser is available in 3 colors: clear, frosted, and opal. On the other hand, the clip-in diffuser can simply click into place, making it easier to remove after the initial installation if needed. The click-in diffuser is available in 3 colors: clear, opal, and black. To finish off your light fixture, you'll want to use end caps. We can cut the Corner16 to any specific length or angle you need. Just let us know in the order notes. If you would rather do the cutting on site, you can watch our video to pick up the best practices when cutting LED profiles. Let's take a quick look at some of the accessories we offer, for use with the Corner16. The profile can be mounted by drilling holes through the back and adding screws. Otherwise, you can use these mounting clips, allowing you to take down the whole light fixture, for repairs and maintenance. The T-clip is the strongest option, while the Y-clip offers a countersunk version. You can use this T-connector to connect straight lengths of the profile. If you're interested in using the Corner16 for your LED projects, check it out on our site. If you have any questions, please reach out. We'll use our 20 years of LED expertise to assist you. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.